Good morning, students. I hope you have understood what has been told to you, what has been taught to you till now. We have started The Midnight Visitor. Actually, this story is set in completely different setup, so you have to read it very carefully. And we have come to the last paragraph of this page number 15. So, I am going to read the paragraph, and you also have to take care that you have to read the chapter at your home. So, I am going to start the reading. Now, you are disillusioned, Osable told him, but take cheer, my young friend. Presently, you will see a paper, a quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives. Come to me. Someday, soon that paper may well affect the course of history. In that thought is drama, is there not? As he spoke, Osable closed the door behind him. Then he switched on the light. As the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand, stood a man. Osable blinked a few times. Max, he wheezed. You gave me a quite queer start. I thought you were in Berlin. What are you doing here in my room? So he was surprised. So what happened here? Osable asked him that he was disillusioned and told him to take cheer, my young friend. Means he should feel himself very excited and cheerful. Presently, he would see a paper, and which is quite important paper for which several people were looking, and to get that paper, several men and women have risked their lives. So they have come to him. Someday soon, the paper may well affect the course of history. He wanted to show that the paper is that much important that might affect the course of the history, means history might change and it can affect the course of the history. In that thought is drama is there not. He said that there might be some drama in that case. As he spoke, Osable closed the door behind him. As this Osable, as he was speaking, Osable closed the door behind him. Have you understood? As he was speaking, he closed the door behind him. Then he switched on the light. He closed the door and switched on the light. And as the light came on, Fowler had the first authentic thrill of the day. And when the light was switched on, Fowler felt the first excitement of the day. And for halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand stood a man. What did he see? As the light came on, Fowler saw that there was a little distance away a person having a small automatic pistol in his hand. Do you know what is a pistol? Everyone must be knowing. I know it very well. So he was having a pistol, automatic pistol in his hand, and Osable was naturally surprised also. Osable blinked a few times. Blinking means closing and opening the eyes several times together. Look at me this way. When we do this action several times, it is called blinking. He blinked his eyes several times. Max, he wheezed, you gave me quite a start. I thought you were in Berlin. What are you doing here in my room? So he started speaking. He asked Max that he had shocked him, and he thought about Max that he was in Berlin. So what he was doing here? So this must be clear to you till now. Okay?